The storage industry is going through a tough patch, and Chinese NAND flash manufacturer YMTC is feeling the heat from both challenging market conditions and US sanctions. Reports suggest the company is laying off 10% of its staff and cutting orders for equipment, with the layoffs reportedly affecting almost all departments, meaning that employees have been removed from their company-subsidized homes and, in some cases, expected to pay large sums for their housing. YMTC's place on the US Department of Commerce's entity list has also put it at a major disadvantage, as it is much more difficult for the mainland China-based company to do business with US manufacturers. This has been compounded by analysts at TrendForce hinting that it would be some time until the company could produce 3D NAND in a competitive way, while YMTC has also cancelled 70% of its orders from Nara Technology Group, a chemical tool supplier for the fabrication of wafers. What this all reveals is how YMTC is struggling to compete with global NAND makers such as Samsung, Kioxia, and SK Hynix. The industry is under pressure, and a company shrouded in secrecy is being hit hard by the current climate. As companies experience a decreased demand due to the pandemic, YMTC seems to be struggling more than most. It remains to be seen if YMTC will be able to stand up against its larger-scale peers.